Okay guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be clarifying ourselves concerning the KYC that is recently rumored on this Ari Wallet airdrop that we all are participating on. So a lot of people have been questioning me, what about the Ari chain or Ari Wallet KYC? And a lot of people have actually found this very difficult, and they have been waiting for a lot of updates concerning this KYC. So on this video guys, I'm going to be clarifying you if there is any KYC or not, and also we are going to be confirming if Ari chain has actually talked about any KYC or not. All right, so if you are hearing about Ari chain for the first time, this is an airdrop that we have been participating on. So if you want to be getting started with Ari chain, simply check out the video description. I'm going to be leaving a video that explains in full details how you can be able to join the Ari chain airdrop. So coming over here right now, I am on the Ari chain application right here. If you look over here, when you click on this straight line right here, you can see that there is nothing like KYC right here. Okay, so there's nothing like KYC right here, but when I take you right now to the Ari chain website, this is the arichain.com right here, and over here guys on the website, if you look closely, there is nothing like KYC. Okay, there is nothing like KYC right here, but however there have been something like KYC, but I will clarify you the reason why there have been something like KYC. So when we look over here guys on the tokenomics, you can see that they actually have seed sales right here. They have a lot of sales like right here, like seed sales and the angel sales. And when you come over here right here on this trade line, when you click over here guys on this trade line again, you can see that there is nothing like KYC right here. But however, in the previous 2 or 3 days, there have been a KYC option right here. Okay, there have been a KYC option right here. But if you try to do the KYC, because personally I tried doing the KYC right then, but I was not able to do the KYC. That was then I then launched a research to know more about this KYC. But after a long time research, I found out that those people that were doing KYC then was actually people that participated on the seed sales. All right, that was the people that actually bought the ICO and the angel seeds. That was the people that were actually doing the KYC. So if you didn't participate on the ICO sale, or if you didn't buy the seed sale of this Ari chain, then you do not have to worry about any form of KYC, because it is just not yet time for the people that are participating on the airdrop to do any type of KYC. All right, so this is the website right here, and of course this is where you get to find out more information about the Ari chain. So taking you right now to their Twitter account, you can see that they have not talking they didn't say anything about KYC right here on the Twitter account. Let's just give it a little time to load up real quick. Okay, and over here right now you can see that they have not said anything about KYC. All right, so to confirm this, I will search this page, this Ari chain page. I will type in okay, let me write it in capital letter KYC like this. Then let's see if they said anything about KYC, and you can see that nothing like KYC is found right here on the Ari chain Twitter account. Okay, so this means that the rumor of KYC on the Ari chain airdrop is not true. All right, so you don't have to worry yourself about any KYC you haven't missed out yet. If there's any KYC, then I'm gonna be letting you guys know immediately, so that you guys can take the necessary action and position for what's coming. All right, so this is how simple it is, and this is all you need to know about the Ari chain KYC. So if any important update comes up, I'll be updating you guys immediately. So make sure that you have liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon.